Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. On this occasion, I will be simulating the output of the following program code related to Python GUI programming with Tkinter or Tk. I will be show the output to all of you. When the file menu is clicked, it will be displayed three sub-menus, namely New, Open, and Exit. When select New, it will be display the text on the label frame. When select Open, it will be display the directory path on the terminal screen as follows. When select Exit, it will exit the window. Edit menu, there is a sub-menu. When click, it will be displayed the message box with its text. When select Help, then there is a sub-menu. When click it, it will be display the frame label. I think enough for my explain about the simulation GUI programming with Tkinter Python. If this material is useful for you, please like, share, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.